G'day, it's Ash here from Quadra-Fire, and today we're doing a product walkthrough of our Quadra-Fire 43 Millennium. The 43 Millennium is one of our most popular products purely due to the fact that it's got a great 30 square heating capacity and it's also got a 12-hour burn time on it, and that's due to the efficiency of the unit. So it's one of the most efficient units on the market with a peak efficiency of 89%. What does that mean? It means you get that long 12-hour burn time purely due to the technology that's inside the unit. So it's a quad burning unit, which is our patent technology that we use, meaning it's combusting 4 times inside the unit. So the way this unit works is it's got a dual air control. So we've got a primary air control at the top here, which is bringing in air through the top of the door here, and that's what keeps that glass nice and clean, as you can see there when you've got the fire going. So you've got a really nice glass viewing area there, and that primary air coming through in that fashion is going to be able to keep that visual there for you as well. The big difference between Quadra-Fire and other units on the market is that we do have a secondary air control down there below. And that has 2 forms. So one is rear air for the unit, that's bringing in air through 4 holes at the rear of the fireplace there, and that's to be able to give you a little bit more power in the unit, a little bit more control. And then the final thing on that air control, if you push it all the way back, is what we call ACC. That's start-up air for the unit. So the big thing with high efficient units is to be able to get them going, because they are quite locked down in regards to air. So what we've designed with this unit is a system where you can set it off, and after 20 minutes it'll shut down, bringing in a large amount of air through the dog box at the front there and into the actual guts of the fireplace to be able to establish a burn. What it also means is that you're not going to be opening and closing that door or leaving it ajar to be able to get the fire running. And then when you're reloading the fireplace, it means that the fire can get back to its optimum temperature and efficiency as quickly as possible. So if you're going to do an overnight burn, you can put your wood inside there, set off your ACC, and you can go to bed. The fire's going to take control and shut itself down for you as well. So fantastic there. So looking at the fireplace itself, inside here we've got a full cast door which opens up, spring handles which basically keep it cool, so it's nice and cool to touch. You'll notice that it's quite a deep firebox as well, so we can fit a 460mm log inside there, and we've got 32mm brick fire liners in there as well. Those fire bricks are going to be able to help with the longevity of the product itself, but also too, they're going to keep some thermal efficiency there as well. Full cast door on the unit which seals directly up against the fireplace chassis, and this great ash lip that we've got here as well, which means that when you open up that door, if there is some ash that's sitting on there on the doorway itself, it's going to fall onto there, which can be easily cleaned up as opposed to going down onto the floor itself. The other great thing about the 43 is because of its size, it's got a great cooktop radiant service up here as well. So you can use this service to be able to cook on. You can use our oven that we do as well, which has got a trivet that sits on top there to be able to cook roasts or bake, or you can just have a humidifier or something on there as well. Fan force option with this unit as well as being a radiant unit, it is a convection unit. Fan just bolts on the back and that brings in air through there as well. Being a North American unit, it is designed to have outside air hooked up to it. So if you are in a new home which is energy efficient, or you don't want cold drafts in your house, we can hook up an outside air kit which directly goes off the back of the unit or through the pedestal below. Alternatively, you can use our Vision Line air system on this unit as well, which is a flue system which actually brings its air for combustion down to the fireplace, not needing to have any type of extra accessories in there as well. Important thing about the unit is your warranty. So it's a full steel firebox that we have here. It's got an 8mm top on it. We cover that for 15 years. The baffles which are inside the unit we cover for 5 years, and the tertiary air tubes on these units we cover for 7 years as well. So a durable product which is built to last. So that's it guys, that's our Quadra-Fire 43 Millennium, one of our most popular units on the market. If you'd like more information then go to quadrafire.com.au, shoot us a message or give us a call.